नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Rupesh M. Likar, Assistant Professor, Department of Kriya Sharir, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the topic concept of Ahara. Let's start with definition. Ahiryate poshanartham iti ahara. Whatever is eaten with mouth or ingested is called ahara. Next is classification of ahara. Based on origin, ahara is classified into three types. Jangam, like milk, ghee, eggs, meat. Audbhid, which originated from plants. And Parthiv, like Sandhav. Based on Swarup, ahar is classified into two types, Chetan and Achetan. Chetan ahar further classified into two types, Pranijanya and Vanaspatijanya. Based on effect on body, ahar is classified into three types. First, shaman dravya, food which alleviate dosha. For example, tel which pacifies vat dosh by its snigdha property, ghee pacifies pitta dosh by its madhur and sheath properties, honey which pacifies kapha dosh by its ruksh and kashaya properties. Second type is kopan dravya. Kopan dravya, food which aggravate dosha. For example, fish and spicy foods aggravate pitta dosh. Swasth hit dravya, foods which maintain health. For example, wheat, amla, mudga. Based on ras, ahar is classified into six types: madhur rasatmak, amla rasatmak, lavan rasatmak, katu rasatmak, tikta rasatmak, and kashaya rasatmak, in which katu tikta kashaya ras increase vata dosh, katu amla lavan ras increase pitta dosh, and madhur amla lavan ras increase kapha dosh, whereas madhur amla lavan ras decrease vata dosh, madhur tikta kashaya ras decrease pitta dosh, and katu tikta kashaya ras decrease kapha dosh. Based on Panchabhotik composition, ahar is classified into five types: पार्थिव द्रव्य, आप्य द्रव्य, आग्नेय द्रव्य, वायवीय द्रव्य, and आकाशीय द्रव्य. Based on method of taking foods, ahar is classified into four types. First, bhaksh, chewing by teeth. Second, pan, by drinking. Ashan, eating foods without chew. And leha, by licking. Based on Guruvadi Gun, ahar can be classified into 20 types. Aparisankhya, innumerable types of food. Because of Drav Samyog Bahulya, ahar can be classified into innumerable types of food. Now, significance of ahar. Vayu is generated from sky or akash, Tej from Vayu, water from Tej, earth or Prithvi from water, plants from earth, food from plants, and Purush from food is originated. Food is life of living beings. Just as oxygen is essential for life, food is essential too. As long as living being is ingesting foods, he remains alive. Food is life of living beings. Food offers them color, luster, speech, life, innovation, happiness, content, nourishment, strength, and intelligence. So it is called Prana Pranabhutanam. Food of opposite qualities is responsible to bring back overgrow body entities within physiological limits, whereas food of same qualities is responsible to grow and replenish used and worn out body entities. All living beings are sustained because of food. There is nothing like food to let a person live. There is no medicine like food available anywhere. Even if drugs are introduced to a diseased person, he cannot get cured without food. This is a reason why physicians call food as great medicine. So here we end the topic Ahar, in which we studied definition of Ahar, types of Ahar, and significance of Ahar. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.